Bathroom renovation. Choosing the right materials. Renovating a bathroom can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to choosing the right materials. With so many options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed and make decisions that may not be the best for your budget or style preferences. In this article, we will discuss some important factors to consider when selecting materials for your bathroom renovation. Budget. The first and most important factor to consider when choosing materials for your bathroom renovation is your budget. It's essential to set a budget before starting any renovation project to avoid overspending. You should prioritize your spending on essential items such as flooring, wall tiles, and fixtures. You can save money by opting for cheaper alternatives for non-essential items like decorative items and accessories. Durability. Bathrooms are high-traffic areas that are exposed to water and moisture regularly, making durability a crucial factor when selecting materials. You should choose materials that can withstand moisture and are easy to clean. Some popular options for bathroom floors include ceramic and porcelain tiles, while natural stone and marble are excellent choices for walls and countertops. Style. The style of your bathroom should reflect your personal taste and complement the overall design of your home. If you prefer a modern look, you can choose materials like glass tiles, chrome finishes, and frameless shower doors. If you prefer a more traditional look, natural stone tiles, clawfoot tubs, and brushed nickel finishes may be more suitable. Maintenance. Another factor to consider when selecting materials for your bathroom renovation is maintenance. You should choose materials that are easy to clean and maintain. For example, ceramic and porcelain tiles are easy to clean, while natural stone requires more maintenance. You should also consider the cost of maintaining the materials over time when making your decision. Eco-friendliness. If you're environmentally conscious, you may want to choose eco-friendly materials for your bathroom renovation. Some eco-friendly materials include bamboo flooring, recycled glass tiles, and low-flow toilets. These materials are not only good for the environment but can also save you money on your water and energy bills. In conclusion, choosing the right materials for your bathroom renovation can be challenging. However, by considering factors like budget, durability, style, maintenance, and eco-friendliness, you can make informed decisions that will suit your needs and preferences. Remember, a bathroom renovation is an investment, so it's essential to choose materials that will last for years to come.